the first to know in Nsem-Pii TV.
Eja enya ababedu finally report no etimi akwa kan John Dramani Mahama nsa metre 5 committee ayete say one entrance so na onhwehwe chief justice ye maami Gertrude Torkono petitions no a omanfo edebeda John Dramani Mahama no one hwehwem one ede one hwehwem nyina abawieye ema one ede report no ekokopie mu ewo Jubilee House Mino Eka said John Dramani Mahama and Felix Ofosu Kwacheso wetimi ede ababe to idwase officially John Dramani Mahama remove Chief Justice Torkono ede a free office Mino Eka said aye areho sempa na eno ena astute lawyer Nana Baffour etimi any obi atwetwe enkomo oche se baby a democracy no ekono se ya nhwene o mabi a odi yenkotie lawyer Baffour
se committee no sapa no mo kan ye dia na president no onye bone enti but obi nyina yin se de akoso no it was predetermined enti Mr. Wadama enye ne me fero crowd and casini coming kabio. When I'm a fero, na Ghana for and I'm a dibuni and the ma in two premier Sebi Namini Asindiaka or Prince Mabeka, the Opesame Church. It was predetermined. And this is for the power in almost one bombi injustice. Omobaye and I'm more moved to some chief justice. And as they say, Omoye. Obaye ewie predetermined na yema record no ensure say a chief justice enam so hwe no the court of the Republic of Ghana edane omachima wo obi under the Constitution of Ghana Article 33 clause 1 or C, where a person alleges that a provision of this constitution on the fundamental human rights and freedom has been breached, has been or is being or is likely to be contravened in relation to him, then without prejudice to any other action that is lawfully available, that person may apply to the High Court for redress. Chief Justice called Human Rights Court say the human rights said in the course of proceedings. Human Rights Court catch and say only jurisdiction.
Wow.
Chief Justice called Supreme Court. Or call Supreme Court of filing supplementary affidavit. Supreme Court filed supplementary affidavit out on the basis that Obi said a flout to constitution. Obi say a back justice bar yen court no mama justice. And why the court refused or turned its back on the woman, on the Chief Justice. This is this is Nipaje intuition and in the now one here in Chima Beckley Sabi court no Sabi yes omuya constitution or my ye Bina Abiana Esiro a predetermined and said the Omar say young Koyani na enema NDC forecast on Bayama for no. Yes, so mobile. A bini so mo say on so mo revoke airline no. Nsem-Papa. Omunye na galamsi no. Anomrasi. Time omu pitumi omu kachire Ghana for say omu ba omu declare state of emergency. And I say, I no declare state of emergency or Galamsey, or mobile Bosumi Koloni, Galamsey, or declare state of emergency. President Mahama Eba Parliament, the State of the Nation address. Or see people to Ghana from down to Mabawa 2 million in the Jumaye. This is will Tia Momo Juma, Onye Momo Juma. Sebilen Koyet is state-owned enterprises and state agencies na air power. Obi and Aye Kase. Tribal war, tribal conflicts are escalating all over Ghana. You moving Koyanim na Yaisha Koya, Yabefaswa, and also Omobe Brenase. Obi so by 2 years and find tribal divisions. Any time there NDC person from the year 2000, Omo find tribal divisions. In fact, in the year 2000, there was a whole advert on television of Mokasa Pukumasako. It said the other tribes, Asante Fuat, Womuswotia, almost surrogates. The tribal conflict divisions are almost farming a better war position. Targeting accounts. They did that while they were in opposition. And then what we do is as well. And the Husus wanted the tribal conflicts are all over Ghana. You need to look at the Boko conflict in the home. And then what could be a Boko? You moving on, Chief Justice Assembly, Opian will be to me as a son. The Akosino, a serious, a almost share a better war position.
And you are saying, sir, despite the decision of the president, or no as a person need any rights be a bit more ventilating in court. And now it's over.
If you remember that,
yes.
And Aquala will say, Obetokano, Ira, Nukonama, Nubisa, a Takobabo. And I'm paying society, the best one share woman. Mamma court say, the human rights is being breached. We see the Islam air cost one. The human rights near to Tunase. Or call human rights court catch and say only jurisdiction, which was completely wrong. Was completely wrong. So I say
yes.
Now, of course, Supreme Court also the catch and send a supplementary up to the our file. Sabi, it's unconstitutional. Now, Sabi, any after the HNC, the man
we're filing some applications for ECOWAS Human Rights Court.
Human rights
yes.
Say, Mama, you focus it, you hold the government into account. And ye more cast over yellow on your mind. Obi, share, Sabi. Democracy is saying, and yet a event in the process. So these are it's a baller figure. It's a baller figure. A sending so
yes.
And then Yama air Ghana. Sabi, the people say one vote full empty before. It is and then you tell the idea of Muntie. A copy said the BBC. So I say, na Yamon Paye, he said, Yama air cost one. Yamon Paye say, Yamaka boy, you this year. Obi, she said, and now a branch here or your weekly station. You're going to call court. Who would you see? The police is watching beyond the constitutionally sanctioned 48 hours. You're going to call court. Who will send your court to this year? No. So we the bill, you're going to quality, Basha, need them 2 weeks. Say, I'm a democracy. Say, oh, now the court, is the Omuna said the custodians of our democracy. The court is supposed to be the custodian of our democracy. Now, Dada, no Kusakusani, say, send Yakuya, that could jabitu, a Pumwa, Sabi, or Jiri baby. So I say, 80 Mamma Diana Acosono, you still say 18 Justice Torkono and Antonene. And I also a talk at Chinkwana. So I say, a talk at Chinkwana now. and Chinabato me Baffour, and Chinabato was able to. Na obiara ni obeje okurum ha say ya echa judge bi beye bibi asabi ebitia obi o wa ben na nipa na ko kan chire chief justice o wa say sabi nipa so si ni say ma no le na nse omo de NDC for na de ba ye ntiro sabi e was what that say ya na democracy say you say ya na say
but okay say and the democracy say no that would then mean say if any future government would want to keep our democracy intact they don't have to come to power with revenge on their mind. By that I mean say and what's a future government be ansuka say we yesi enti or chine bi nso no me nso me ba sija or hono me nso me ba be yi no
obi yes pepe asema waka no atete mamu sabi uye pinu a nhia akoma eso ye bi watem no 1 minute sabi ye bo wafu no 1 minute na de mbakwa na de ye adwuma na wo toto niema sabi hwe o ma panyikofo obi ukai e maybe when you meet the press after being a friend doctor Nsem-Pii okay
yes
ko tira ho kasetia no basa yanku tulisi etino and so see there be democracy nti okay say oba abemu Dr. Edwin Chambers o say papa abranti o ya fine gentleman said the NDC for you say na so mu yusu ko ECOWAS no tiana no de ko ECOWAS no sanity we pay more sabi ye tie form and nyama bi e be say my e be kumai so what you say enti yamon pa ye say that she be the president sabi ono de on ma say or be settle personal scores yamu sample no nembum no eni kwansi le jai saade no ba president ne difference and was see a say yamra no ye besa semu Obi, Adia, now me touch you. Say, look, we can amend all our laws, but if we don't get men of integrity in our judiciary enforcing the laws, we have a problem. It's a problem. Okay, I'm trying to say because Obi, think about it. You're appointing to the judiciary as a judge. Tenure of office is guaranteed, or salary is guaranteed. Obiara ni wo betumi apomo kwanse so yede okamo obiara na ese ma wusuru be pa na ese ma wusuru so wusuru dia amanse obi interest let us say one kasa no pursue so personally so I say and to obi for the democracy need to be protected, to be sustained, we need a judiciary which is fully protected and would make sure say Nippon Ottawa, the application will be the case by human rights court. Now, catch and say, who need jurisdiction? Obi. Let me say, if you are procedure now, what they buy the crowd, they get wrong.
Yes.
So what you say, but so to make us a jurisdiction, no human rights court, when the person is complaining of human rights abuse, Jesus Christ. Obi, the SCO, Yama the record of this country, the historical records of this country to note, say this woman was let down by the judiciary.
And that tomorrow a similar thing may happen.
Say, Obi, Nsem-Pii, say, you check Ghana abakosem. Now you discuss it. Koya said the democracy oftentimes, you discussing be a nipa be without what you make can say.
Yes.
You discuss it. Kaya discuss it. I'm a lady who I'm never the or and to be and they can repeat it. What you make can say. But here discussing, ya me refuse ho ya me refuse ho so obi to say President Lee Kuan Yew be control for about Singapore or see on trouble no inchirimenti say na ya inchirima baba be plan no mo hu die ntia Singapore no aye and me Ghana dia na ye dey kai baby aye free buy any baby aye abiduru ibi ya dey kai yes so ya really akoto memorial lecture you refuse ho say re akoto is because at some point there was no fundamental human rights provisions in our constitution, and a second position was taken. In Tiayazi Akoto Memorial Lecture, the Kaya who say, the Mabio ACB.
Yes.
What I say? And then, your protesters can't hear the cases of Sh0cks Shackelford. We accepted that that time military rule, a judge was prepared to uphold the human rights of a person. Sh0cks Shackelford. There was no constitution at the time. So there was no constitution. So and so judge let's say the human rights is free and no constitution at the bar. So the principles that were not upheld in Re Akoto, right? Justice Corinthian with the late upheld it in Sh0cks Shackelford. That is the judge I will see a celebrating.
Very well. Very well.
And then constitution and so Obia court say human rights court any jurisdiction irrespective of Article 33. So that's it. And the moment you democracy no a buy and never be a senior before 1992. Nene ya tutu ya namoyi instead of saying and then yeah the na ekena obisoba no obeya obi ko ka se maybe NDC ba power no matter Jubilee House Flagstaff House NDC soba power no matter the Flagstaff House
yeah
okay
yes
and then the chair will say ya anshi ni amoye fo ban yeah it may be that no NDC do mu so compare do mu chief justice beba NDC soba power o do mu chief justice beba sabi the president and so what is happening when you are saying, this is it's a dark day in Ghana's political history. But Essence say it was predetermined in Kilo. And I may say, moving on. And they Ghana for 180 something MPs.
Mate.
Yeah, 87. Give me between yata. Yeah, Muma record means so say the court, let's CJ
down. Very well.